Good day, Philippines, and mabuhay! This is your host, Maidi Hilig, and welcome to 5-on-1 Tapatan. Together with my teammates, please introduce yourselves.
I am Ashanti Jaya Iris Paso.
Ella S. Vivesano.
Ella Gizi Inot.
Jan Kaifer Veracruz.
And all together, we will discover the nature of tourism and hospitality industry coming from a professional standpoint. In this episode, we invited a special guest to give us insights about the tourism and hospitality industry. So help me welcome our honored guest, Miss Emily Y. Sagadsan.
Hi, mga...
How are you?
Okay lang.
That's good to hear. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation to be our guest in this virtual interview. So, before we start, would you like to formally introduce yourself to everyone?
My name is Emily Sagadsan. I am currently employed at Marialina Catering Services as a secretary, and I have been working in the catering industry for 5 years.
So, thank you so much, ma'am. And again, welcome to our virtual interviews. So the first set of questions would be your personal and job background. So, I will do the honor. What inspired you to pursue this career?
I was inspired to pursue this career due to my interest in organization and customer service. Then I love this job too.
Can you briefly describe your career journey, ma'am?
I began my career as an assistant and gradually advanced to my current role, where I handle various administrative responsibilities.
Thank you so much for that detailed response, ma'am. And now let's proceed to the next questions coming from Mr. Spesso. Mr. Spesso, may you now proceed.
All right, are you ready for the second set of questions, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, my first question would be, what educational background required for your job?
A background in office administration or business-related courses is beneficial for this role.
Specific certifications or training required?
Basic training in office management and computer applications is an advantage for you.
That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Spesso. The next interviewee would be Miss Ella Grease Inot. You may now proceed with your questions.
Good day, ma'am. I will be asking the next set of questions about your work and responsibilities. What are your main duties and responsibilities?
Include managing bookings, handling calls, scheduling, and preparing documents.
How do you handle customer service in your role?
I handle customer service by maintaining professionalism, clear communications, and helpful attitude.
Thank you for sharing that, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Miss Inot. Next question will be coming from Miss Websano.
So good day, ma'am, and mabuhay. So now we'll proceed to our first set of questions focusing on challenges you face as a secretary. How do you manage long working hours or shifting schedules?
I manage long working hours by practicing effective time management and organization.
What stressful situations do you usually face?
I often encounter stressful situations such as urgent bookings and client concerns.
How do you handle difficult customers or guests?
By remaining calm, patient, and solution oriented.
What are the biggest challenges in your job?
Managing tight schedules and last minute changes, especially sa food.
All right, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Miss Websano. Now let us proceed to Mr. Veracruz.
What career growth opportunities are available in your field?
Such as becoming an office manager or supervisor.
Does your job allow travel or international work?
And international, there are occasional opportunities to assist with events outside the local area.
What are the advantages of working in this industry?
This industry enhances communication, organizational, and interpersonal skills.
What makes this career rewarding?
So the most rewarding aspect is contributing to the success of memorable events of your customers.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
All right. And with 5 sets of questions, but we still have 2 sets of questions from you, ma'am. First, what challenges does the industry is facing today?
Just strong competition and evolving customers' expectations, and also the high price of of crude and gasoline.
What trends are currently shaping the tourism and hospitality industry?
Current trends include online booking systems and personalized services.
How do you see the industry in the next 5 to 10 years?
The industry is expected to grow with increased reliance on technology.
How is technology affecting your job?
Technology has improved efficiency in communication, scheduling, and client management. It's so easy to access through the technology.
What advice would you give to students entering this field?
So I would advise students to remain hardworking, dedicated, and open to learning.
So what attitude is important for success in this industry?
Positive attitude, patience, and professionalism are essential for the success in this industry.
What experiences should students gain while studying?
Gaining practical experience through internships or part-time work is highly recommended.
On behalf of our entire team, ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you also.
Success in this field is not just about skills, but also about teamwork, responsibility.
Working in this industry requires patience, good communication skills, and dedication.
You need to have professionalism and most of all, a positive attitude towards your customers.
A person must practice his or her communication skills, technical skills, interpersonal skills.
We must also possess a positive attitude, patience, and professionalism.